Good morning, welcome back to Ewen Maddock Dam at Maddock Park right now. And guess what we are doing today? That's right, we're going mountain bike riding, except today we're going to be doing some cross country. I've geared up pretty well for today because I don't know how far I'm going to be riding. So I've got my top tube bag full of stuff to repair stuff, and backpack with a 3-litre water capacity. So this fella here got 32 litres of storage, and you can put a 3-litre water bladder in there, so I'll be taking that today just in case. Should be anywhere between 20 to 25 kilometers around, but I'm not sure if I'll deviate off, so let's go for a ride and see what we can find. Alright, let's go. So normally some people start over towards the right there, but I find it can get a little bit crowded with people. Already saw some bikes going up there, so instead we'll go up the hill, have a nice gradual warm up, and then we'll head to the path. There's another entrance just up here to the left, so should be a fun day. So this place is very popular with cross-country riders. There's a few big hills, which automatically I'm not a fan of. It's mostly fairly flat. Yes, this is a nice little hill climb, not too overbearing. If I remember correctly, the other entrance is up here further. Gotta watch out for other people. We're not doing this just for exercise today. I want to relax a little, take in the surroundings. Cute little border collie over there. Alright. Beautiful. This spot's really nice. So this here just takes us around near the bank of the dam. So yeah, this is pretty much all double trail. There were a couple of blue trails here. I know one of them was closed to the public, Ford Road. We'll see about the other one. What makes it a blue trail? I've actually never been up there before, so I went for a bit of a ride here once, but I've been hiking around here a lot, and there's a few hills and rocky paths, so perhaps that's what makes it a blue trail. Might be just a tad more difficult than normal. Oh, okay, so we're back on the main trail again. This follows the bank around. That was nice. It's a nice option. Alright, so if I take the brown loop, it'll take me up to a hill. Sure about it. Yeah, oh yeah, there we go. Horseshoe Hill. My hamstrings are unusually tight. Actually did a bit of stretching, but I don't think it was enough. I'd have to stop and stretch for a moment. It was my birthday week last week, so I didn't really get up to much. Probably why I'm so tight. I was so lazy. All I wanted to do was relax, eat, and that's it. Oh, nice. That's pretty. Right, so I'm all stretched, feeling a lot better. It only takes a few minutes. Should almost be at the blue trail, and I'm thinking we're going to see a mighty big bloody hill as soon as we turn left. Mud pit, another one down here. Oh, this is nice. Oh yeah, look at that. That's huge. Oh. Man, that's gonna kill. Okay, so I couldn't get up the hill. No surprise there, but it's still a really steep climb. I'm looking up towards the top there. That's how steep it is. Got to work on my cardio fitness. My God. very reefy through here. Okay. Looks like we're back on the main trail. Ooh, a bit rocky. Wow, that's pretty. Yeah, that's nice. Look at that. All right, photo time. It's just so pretty here. Oh, end of the trail. And yes, another gate. They're trying to make me do hurdles. And again, over we go. Beautiful little creek here. And another barrier. Man. Bit of tarmac. Across. Now we're on to Steve Irwin Way. You'll get to see some of the dam. Yeah, that's nice. What a pretty view. Alright, Maddock Wetlands. I'm fairly familiar with this trail. Get a drink before I go in. Yep. Okay, let's go. Basically, I'll do the along the water, and then I might take the fire trails out and back up to where we started again. We'll stop a few times because there's some really pretty views. Here it is, this one. Beautiful. So for anyone who wants to know why the water is brown but then a clear colour, all around us we're surrounded by these paperbark trees, which is also known as Melaleuca or tea tree, and the brown colour is actually a result of the tannin from the tea trees. It's perfectly safe to be in. In fact, it's actually really good for your skin, hence why they make tea tree products for your skin. I have to stand up for this. I usually hate standing when it comes to ascending, but when you're tired, much better put your weight down. Here I am. Whoa! Ew. I think we are at a parking spot. Yep, we certainly are. Oh, nice. Sweet. Now we're on the home stretch. I'm gonna go on the grass here. be a bit safer. And then I can proceed on the shoulder. Here I am, back at Maddock Park. There's Slowpoke. Let's load the old girl up and go get ourselves some food, hey? See you soon. Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was something a little bit different than usual. I haven't really been riding my bike much, but I should. But really hasn't been the weather for it lately, so yeah. Leave a thumbs up and a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all next time.